Alright, so today I'll be sharing something that I purchased online in Shopee. So we call it the Shopee Finds section. I have been using this item for 2 weeks now, and I find it very helpful, and at the same time it's affordable. So I said to myself, why not make a video of this and then share this to everyone? You might be interested to buy this. I'll be providing the link in the description of the video, so you can just check that. Alright, so the item is intelligent switch lamp holder. So what it does is that it gives you the ability to control the lights. There's a lot of functions. You can turn it on, turn it off, or you can also half dim the lights. You can control the it says here there is a timer, but it's not working. I've tried it. I'm not sure how to work it out, but just as me, on and off function lang ang pinaka-importante personally for me. So I'm not sure about you. I'll be showing you now what's inside the box. This is actually a second purchase. So what you have is this holder. This is where we put the bulb, and this is where you connect, of course, sa ibang power source, right? And then this is where the magic happens. It's a remote control. So it has here delay of 60 minutes, delay of 30 minutes, and 5 minutes. I'm not sure how to activate this or if it's really working, because I tried this, dili siya mugana. But again, I only use the on and off functionality, and then there's also this half bright option. And then this is also powered with battery. So this is a AAA. You need 2 AAA battery to make this work. How do I use this on my end is that I actually have this garage tent, which is for of course for the car. So wala siya lights, and then nasa sa gawa sa balay, of course. So pag-abot na ako og biyahe ko gabi, and then when I arrive home, okay na siya kung the car is on because you can still see the path. Pero once the car is off, medyo struggle siya, and if you'd like to pull out things like say grocery ka or other stuff that you need to take out the car, I find it very difficult kay ngit-ngit ang surroundings, right? So we don't know if you have pets, right? Dogs, diba? Normally, or cats, they stay on these areas, kanang ngit-ngit. So accidentally you might step on them, or worse is that may go pagin mo sa imong car, right? If you have kids, so if you have kids who loves to play outside, they may leave their toys, and of course you don't want to damage those toys, right? So on my end, I purchased this. There is actually a way for you to, other ways. You can just put the light on, which permanently turns on every night, diba? So I find it extra, especially nowadays we're trying to conserve energy, and I don't really need it all the time. So what I just need is a light for us, or for me, every time na moabot ka sa balay, and then you just have to turn it off every time na musulod ka sa house. So this is the key, right? After this, I'll be showing you how this works, and if you want it, again, there's a description. I'll put the link, and then again, this is below 200 pesos lang ang purchase. Okay, so again, if you like this, just buy it. I'm not selling any of this. And if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you can subscribe, that's a lot better. Thank you, and guys, you stay safe out there. Alright, so naka-park na ta. There we go. We're ready to go out. So again, you have to turn off na your car. Again, okay lang siya if naka-on pa ang car, right? But if magawas na ka, then it's going to be dark. But with the lights on, of course. Alright, you can see the floor. No pets. No toys. Safe. Alright. You can see what's around you. Alright, as easy as that. When you're done, you can turn it off.